Hey guys, welcome to my new channel. My name interview. Good day here at Herbs Ride and Dive. So ngayon, re-review tayo ng raincoat kasi it's been raining for the past few days in Cavite. So ayan, we have here Moto Wolf raincoat. This is version 3, I think. Or 3B. Yeah, this is version 3. And I bought it from Proflex sa Lazada. 1,649 pesos. So yun. Pwede kong isend yung link sa baba or sa comment or sa description. So yeah, umpisa na natin. Nabuksan ko na siya kanina. And good thing about this, may sarili siyang bag. Compact, magaan. And may strap din. So pwede mo siyang sabit. Pwede mo din siyang magaan. Ayan, you can put it anywhere. We have Moto Wolf here. Moto Wolf from the other side. And another zipper. That's pretty much it for the bag. You can also see the size in here. So this one is small. I'm 5'4", around 70 kilograms. Mamaya susukatin natin to. Tingnan natin yung outfit check. So, ito muna yung pinaka jacket niya. So, we do have a removable hood here. Yeah. So, yung quality ng Velcro solid. So, you can see. Stitches are good. They also have this rubber strap. And ito, since removable nga yung hood, you simply remove that. Even the hood has this net, so hindi siya malagkit sa katawan, which is a good thing for a raincoat. I know this is not your usual raincoat na mabibili mo sa labas, pero look at the quality, guys. Yeah, stitches are good. That's for the hood. And this is our jacket. We have this is gray in color, so they have multiple options for color. They have black, blue, orange, the yellow, green. Yeah, so meron tayong logo dito, Moto Wolf, of course. That's reflectorized. We also have Moto Wolf here, reflectorized lining here. Right, pockets, which has Velcro as well. 2 of them. And to open it, yung buong opening niya naka-Velcro. Great quality Velcro. Stitches are great. Yeah. Aside from that, you also get this waterproof zipper. So let me just put it. You would know na waterproof yung zipper pag ganyan. Pag linose mo, then ganyan. Para siyang rubber material that will keep the water from coming in. Okay. So yun. Once you zip it up, you can put it like that. Diba? Ewan ko lang kung pasukan pa ng tubig yan. Sobrang sweet yan. To open it, just do it like that. Net lining for the whole jacket, which is great. Right, here we go. Moto Wolf here, so it says polyester 100%. Size is small. You have sizing here as well. And oh, this one you can get Velcro here as well. Aside from the garter, para mas fit. You don't want the water coming in your arm, so great stuff. And additional reflectorizer here. See that? That's it for the jacket. Now let's go to the pants. For the pants, this one is black. For me, this is a great color combination because ayaw mong dumumi yung pants mo kung yung kulay niya is ganito, diba? So madali siyang nadudumihan. You would want pants na dark color. If they have brown, I would take brown kasi sa mga putik, diba? But totally not gray or green, you know, not those bright colors. So for the pants, so yeah, basic pants lang. Quality stitches, you can see there, and garter, good. Aside from the garter, you would get this, I don't know what you guys call this. Paki-comment sa baba kung anong tawag dito. And size is small. Motowolf logo, polyester, size is small. Also have this net. May special feature tong pants na to. You would see that here in this part. Kasi meron siyang, you can open this one. Just remove the buttons. And then you would get this shoe cover. Mamaya papakita ako kung ano siya magbuo. Pero yan. So shoe cover siya. Para siyang gaganyan. So that would cover the front of your shoe. Nothing at the bottom. Just a garter to hold it in place. And yeah, that's basically it. If you don't want to use it, you can put it back and just button it up. Diba? So sukatin natin. Natin yung fittings niya. So this is the pants. Again, height ko is 5'4" for your reference. Yeah. So ganito siya. I don't know if you can see it. So ganito siya kapag nakatupi yung sa shoes. Shoe cover. Right? Very neat. Hindi siya yung maluwag na pants. Diba? Stylish pa din kahit naka-raincoat. On the other side, kapag nakababa yung shoe cover, you can put it like this. That's how it would look kapag nabit yung shoe cover. Which is still nice. Diba? You have this rubber strap para hindi siya matanggal basta-basta. And then dito, rubber din siya. Okay. So that's for the pants. Now let's do the jacket. Sabit muna natin ito. Put it back. Yes. Simply do that. Okay. Sobrang dali lang. Adjustable. Nice zipper. waterproof. Tapos kahit naka-helmet ka, kahit wala yung hood, hindi siya papasokin kasi hanggang neck siya. Hanggang dito siya. Diba? Tapos, velcro. Kahit buhusan mo ang tubig, ngayon hindi ako mababasa eh. Meron din pala siyang garter dito. Pero, yun yung gagamitin. Safe na yun. Nice fit. Ayan, sakto lang siyang ganyan. Hindi masyadong pasukin. Diba? Nice reflectorized hair. Ngayon, kung inabad mo yung helmet mo, you can do that. Hindi lang siya pang motor, guys. You can wear this anywhere you want. Gusto mo sa mall, pwede naman. It's up to you. Kaya, pwede mo siyang, kung malakas yung hangin, or nagka-camping ka, ganyan. Sobrang lakas ng hangin sa taas. Tapos umuulan. Pwede mo siyang ibaba. Kaya hindi pasukin yung ulo mo. And to remove it, medyo pricey pero for the quality, sakto lang. I mean, kasi kung bibili ka ng mga mumurahin na raincoat, tapos madali naman siyang mapunit, madali din masira, bibili ka rin ulit. So, mapapamahal ka rin. So, bakit pupunta ka pa sa ganung path if you can get a quality one, right? Sa isang bilihan. So, again, yung link lalagay ko sa description. Hindi ako affiliated dito sa shop nila, so I'm not getting paid to do this review. So, yep, that's it. See you next video. Bye!